think I've got relog in. I asked it a question to get a list, and I have a list of settings that I think I'm gonna do. Here's my list of settings: screen resolution, display mode, full windowed bordered, VSync, anti-aliasing, texture quality. I might just skip this one for now, but maybe not. Anti-aliasing, texture quality, shadow quality, post-processing quality, effects quality, foliage. We don't need foliage. View distance, motion blur. We'll probably just be an on-off. Depth of field and ambient occlusion. We'll probably skip ambient occlusion. All right, so screen resolution. Unreal Engine get this here is kind of what we're doing here. Now, this will be a we're going to try this. Settings struct. There. And settings data. So here, we're going to need two variables that are also going to be actually one variable. Setting name. Setting data. There. The only reason is that this has to be this, which sucks. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to bring in the setting name. Oh, wait. This settings data. This needs to be an array. Yeah. Oh, that's wrong. Oops. There we go. There's that. And then the value name. Oh, wait, this one we wouldn't necessarily be able to set right away. Oops. Yeah. It's that. There we go. This needs to be there. There we go. Okay. So we do that. Maybe this is just a singular. Yeah, this is just a singular there. And then what we can do is we can do get. No, no, this can be just. Yeah, we just do this. Save, compile, beautiful. Now, we have a number of these that we have to create essentially and populate out, but we need to bind on the next buttons and stuff like that. So this has to speak with its parent. Because these can't be exposed. These two buttons can't be exposed. So if I come to oh, sorry. Common user activatable was widget. WBP settings menu widget. When we come into here and we do an overlay, then we do a vertical box. Then we do a WBP settings widget. There we go. We add that in, and then we do that's not right. This should just be text. And this one should also just be text. There we go. And then we come into here, and then we would grab this, and then this would be There we go. Same here. So this one would be what? Settings display main screen. Oh, sorry. Screen resolution. There we go. Duplicate. No, oh, I did that backwards. I did. There we go. This one here would be display mode, screen. Oh, this one would be a checkbox. Texture quality. We'll say hi. Oops. Oh, hi. This needs to be VSync. We'll just say yes, no for now. We'll do uncapped max FPS. There you go. I think that's really all we need. We really don't have any of the other stuff. For that weird person that wants it. There we go. Interesting. It's not filling right. Huh. What if I replace this with a size? Okay, so this one here, I want, say, 10. This one here would also be 10. This one here needs to be a variable, right? Name to settings, setting spacing. I don't think that it requires a int. No, it's not size. But we do want it as a to be width anyways. So we'll do this get. Here we'll say set size. There we go. And then we can come into here and we can say, hey, this one's fine. This one's not, right? And then we can be like 15, 20, 25. Not perfect. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. What's up, Jack? It's been a while. Give me 2 seconds. I'll be right back. That's interesting. Hmm. I don't have a minimum size. That one's always a good pick, man. The vertical box doesn't need to be there. There we go. Perfect. So how long is the game? What do you mean by how long is the game? Do you mean like how long will it take to complete the game? How long will it take to make the game? I guess I do. How's the game progress coming along? Game progress is coming along. It's getting there. I'll show you what I've got. Main menu. So, ooh, Sup, environment artist. I got it. How are you doing today, by the way? All right. Oh, I missed her. Nice lot work. Somewhat, yeah. Oh, this isn't centered anymore. Damn it. Let me fix that real quick. This isn't supposed to be text. There we go. Now let's see if we've got this right now. There we go. Damn it, I missed. There we go. Much better. So all of this works, but I want that leg from the main menu to go away, and that's going to have to be settings. So that's what we're working on right now. It's a slow process, but we're getting there. Here's our menu screen at the moment. We also now, because I played the game, I have to save and restart. So environment artist, road to environment artist. There's a plugin from Epic, funny enough, called Common UI. This plugin makes the controllers work. Just works. It's beautiful. I gotta say it's amazing. Okay, so we need to go like this doesn't matter anymore. So we need to go to this one. We're going to go to here and we're going to uncheck that. I'm going to come into here and we're going to delete that and delete that. Save, compile. Did I do the wrong one? I did. That one's not important. This one's very important. There we go. Then we go like that, and this might allow that to be set. Let's see if that will allow us to work. Huh. It does work. So that's kind of nice. What we do need though is this here needs, we need one more of these maybe, size 10. Maybe 100. Then for this one here, we want that. Let's also go like this. There we go. So we'll do that. And then this spacer here is 25 and 25. Beautiful. But you know what? I guess that kind of works. This should be good enough. I'm very worried checking your satisfaction when hitting people on the way. Hey, somebody's got to do it. Okay, so now we have the settings widget. Now what we need is we need to go to the overlays, main menu. Main menu has this. Now we need to bring in the WBP settings menu widget. There we go. And then when we click on settings, we want settings to cause it to jump to the right thing. Sorry. Ugh. Feeling like trash today. Wait, how does this even work? Oh, right, because we're not actually using it. I want to change this. I'm going to change this. I want to change this to use the, instead of using the current system, I just want to use active widget. And then this, we're going to anchor into the center. Actually, you know what? We're going to leave it anchored where it is. Size to content. That's fine. Save, compile. No, you know what? How do I want to do this? Sorry. Ugh. Because right now I've got it in such a way that it's going to be hard to work with. Maps here. And I don't want to bring that over to the annoyance here. There. Okay, here. This is never what we want. We don't want stuff like this. Right? So this here we want to change. So if we go into here, I think this is it, right? Yeah, this is it. We go into here and we do custom event, push active, push active, push pop active widget. Then we grab our widget, not our widget switcher, we grab our activatable widget stack. There we go. Now we're going to bring that over here. There we go. I forgot to put something in this main menu here. Sorry, not that. To do settings menu. Graph. We need, oops. Here we need 2 buttons. Two of these. And we need a horizontal box. Then we need a spacer. The spacer will be set to fill. Beautiful. This one here will be, for the text, we want this to be back. And then this one here, we're going to do text of save. And I think we should have a spacer right here. This spacer here should be at least 50. Oh, wait, wrong 50. 150, like that. Beautiful. Now, when we come over to here, we can anchor this right here. Do size to content. Do that. And then 2. Anyways. Main menu widget. There we go. There we go. What we want to do is hide this. Like this here we don't actually want to be. If we go like this, we can bypass a bunch of this and say save, compile. I'm hesitant to delete things right now, but I kind of need to, which kind of blows. Not that one. Not that one. This one? This one. Yeah, okay. So I need to delete the widget switcher altogether, right? So this is being used places. So if I try and never mind, that does work. Interesting. We're going to try and move this around here. There we go. This is a problem here, right? This here, we're going to say to do main menu. We want to push pop active widget, and we want to go back to main menu. Then we go to here and we save compile and we see an issue. Sorry, this one's main menu. This one here is the maps, map select. Then settings needs a button. There. Let's see if this works. At the end, you need to use BP. Could you get the same result with C++, or is it complicated too? You can. It's just for the type of iteration that I'm doing right now, it wouldn't make sense to use blueprints. I mean C++. Why is that happening? That's weird. Mainly because like, okay, so with C++, every time that you make a change, you need to compile. And whenever you compile, you have to relaunch the entire editor, right? So it'd be like, I'd come in here, I would, make my change here, recompile the entire editor, come back in, test whether or not it's working. If it's not working, go back to C++, write some code. If it works, continue forward kind of thing. What is this doing? Oh, that's why. This is returning nothing. This should be working though. No, because the main menu is not set. So this isn't firing at all. I think what we need is get parent widget. Get player controller. Get HUD. Cast to TK base HUD. Yeah, no, it's it would be a lot. Yeah. So if we start with so if we just do our base everything, like just at least build things out in this, we can get away with a whole lot, right? Okay, so this needs a public u function blueprint callable category equals raccoon. This would return void push pop activatable widget. If I spell activatable right, that would be great. There you go. Then this needs to be a u evade up. U common activatable widget. This okay, so our most parent will be the main menu in this case, right? In this case, we've got the push here. So we push, then we want to pull, maybe? One sec. This pushes up and we need the activatable widget stack. The activatable widget stack is only available through a widget object. Yeah. So we need another widget. Not that. We need, yeah, that's fine. We need a C++ widget. So this is where things get complicated, essentially, right? Because now we need a C++ class, and here we need a common activation widget, I believe. Let me double check, though. Common activatable widget. Activatable widget. Common activatable. There it is. Wait. No, this one's got the overlay. We need this to be the Truckcoon blueprints HUD overlays. This one here. Common user widget. That's what we need. This will be TK common user widget user widget. User overlay widget. Other like Ian? I don't think I follow. Okay, there we go. There we go, and right there. Okay, so this, yeah. Okay, I'm in the middle of something.
I'll text you, but can you make sure you text me back?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna send you the transfer.
Okay.
Okay, I love you.
Okay.
Let's send you.
Yeah. Sorry about that. Okay, so that's not the right one. That one is. Okay, so we want one of these. El Ghetto, welcome. User overlay widget. There we go. We're going to forward declare this. Okay, so this is not going to show up in here. That's fine. Overly. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, this is just a push and a pop. If ours ensure user overlay widget. Other like you, I leave you lurk. I'm resolving bugs in HLSL with Niagara neighbor grid particles. I listen you. All right, have a good one. Thank you for putting me on lurk, by the way. Much appreciated. Okay, so we do the ensure, right? And then so after the ensure, we're going to do the push pop active widget thing here. And this will be the widget in question. Wait, no, sorry, I did that wrong. User overlay widget. Thanks for the follow, much appreciated. Okay, this one will have a protected property. This will be a blueprint read write, or no, blueprint visual. Bind to did you follow on both YouTube and Twitch? I feel like that's a yes. Now, what was this? Sorry, I got to go back here and I have to go to the main menu here. No, main menu stack. And then we come over here. I should rename that to stack. Fuck. Missed opportunity. This is a common, what is this? Common common activatable widget stack. So find common activatable widget stack. Add for declare. Public. This would be void. Generate definition. Push widget. Why is it dot? That doesn't make any sense. That's not supposed to be a T array. There we go. That's better. That's also not the right thing. This one. Add forward declare. There we go. Common. Let's do. There we go. There we go. Huh. I have an idea. I actually have an idea here. You function. Blueprint. Native event. Category truck. There we go. This should actually probably be like this might need to just be a interface at this point. There, and then we're just gonna do here. No, no. Blueprint native event. There we go. Then, yeah, then we come over to here. We do. Oh, right. This doesn't have that. Oh, wait. This is the native. Silly me. View property, blueprint, read write. Category. What's this complaining about? User overlay widget. Widget. This is supposed to be blueprint callable. There we go. This one here, push. Wait a second. No, yeah. Okay. I think we should be good here. Let's save all. Now, all of my code has that attached. All of my HUDs are children of the base HUD class, which means this should work. Yeah, I'm not. No, I'm using that, aren't I? Yeah, that gets. This one doesn't, though. So because that one doesn't get pushed in, we're going to include it here. Yeah, there we go. Actually, we're going to include it, and then we're just going to move it. Right, this doesn't take a class. Fuck. Sorry, this takes a class. T sub Oh, it wants this to be a thing. This is just for the main menu thing, right? But if we go over to here, this doesn't need a. This here should be a reparent to TK common overlay widget, right? And then if we go to our HUDs, main menu HUD, this should be reparented because apparently it's not. Beautiful. Then this now the main menu HUD, right? Not the main menu HUD, the main menu stack now has a new override, which would be the T push pop activatable widget, which we can now take this, move this down to here, go like this, then this. Beautiful. And then we can come here and we can find references. It's not used anywhere yet. So that's fine. We just move this up here like so, save, compile. Now we don't need to have this call into that anymore, right? We do the get parent here, there. And then this would be push pop activatable widget. And then we do the map selection. Save, compile. We do the same down here. And then we have this. This is not what I want. I want get owning player. There we go. And we're going to move this down a little bit too. Cast to TK base head. There we go. If we come over to here, we can say we want the main menu, since we're doing main menu stuff. There we go, save. Now we want to go to our main menu because we're not already there. There we go, and we hit play. We have an error in here. There we go. Get owning player. Get. Wait, no, that's not what we were doing. No, we were. Get owning player. Get HUD. Cast to TK base HUD. Push pop to, what's this one? This one's the back button. So this would be main menu. Beautiful. Then we go into the HUD. It's the user overlay widget. This is the HUD, right? Yeah. Yay! It doesn't work. Quit works. The rest of them don't. Okay, so what we need to do now is we're going to close a bunch of these. Right? And we're going to start with this is not the right thing, is it? No, wait. This is a HUD, right? Yeah, no, this is not it. No, yeah, no, this is right. Stack. Here. Come into here. We do this. We can skip this because we're going to be getting rid of it. There we go. I want F9 and F9. Save. Now I hit play. When I hit this, I see this, and we can say, there's our main menu HUD. Sweet. Perfect. It did cast. Sweet. Perfect. Now the problem is this never actually implemented it, right? So wait, which one was it supposed to implement? This never happened. That's why. Right there. That was my mistake all along. That right there. Maps. There we go. It didn't pop it though. Oh, this is why. Oh, I'm going to do it and it's going to hurt. It's going to hurt. This is exactly what I was afraid of. No. Ugh. Hmm. Here. Set user focus? No. Set focus? No, no, no. It would be this, right? Set focus. Yeah, there. Maybe? I don't know if this works. No, that causes problems. Don't do that. No, we don't set focus like that. Okay, we try this again. Okay, so now this is working. Come into here. This is not working. It does work here. It just doesn't work for the controller. Settings menu. Does the settings menu work? The settings menu does work. Back here doesn't work, but that's fine because it's not rigged up yet. Huh. Does it work if I go like this? Okay, so once it's got focus, it does work? Interesting. Then I come back here and I don't have it. All right. Hmm. So I think this might be the map one at the very least. Okay, so It really likes settings. Okay, so would this then be maybe there's the stack. Would this might be it? No, definitely not. We go back to design. We look here. We go to focus. It's definitely not that. We're gonna say so. Still only getting settings for some reason. Would this be a get desired thing, maybe? No, because this automatically runs on activate. Uh, what am I doing different here? Right. Oh, wait, I know. Okay, yeah, that does the trick. This one though, this one doesn't seem to want to work. Main menu widget. We do this, which does this, which calls the parent one, right? Is this like a transition thing, maybe? Yeah, there it is, transition 0. There we go. Mm. Shanina Vandermod made. P, welcome. So we got that transition down. What we need to do now is we need to look at why that one is different than the one that we have closed. This one. So I kind of know why this one's different, but we're going to go through and make sure that we have all the things that we need. So on activated, we're going to do get desired focus target. And we're going to set focus. Save compile. And then over here, we're going to do get desired here. We're going to bring this out here. And then we are going to say we want to focus on this one here, which means that these need to be variables. So this will be screen shun. Why is nobody talking about Where is Daddy or Lavender or I don't know. I don't even know what they are. So, yeah. I think the reason why nobody's talking about them is because they don't actually really matter right now. I'm going to be honest. I haven't really seen anything that AI does that a human can't do better with less issues. Like you can't copyright AI work. At least not for sale in America. And if you want to just forego the American all of America, then you know, for like sales of a product, then that's one thing that you can do. Like if it was Canada or like Australia, New Zealand, Finland, right? Like a small country, get it, but like we're talking about like one of the most powerful countries in the world, like for their checkbooks, and you can't copyright work made by AI, so you can't protect yourself from it. Which this is my favorite thing. My favorite thing to look at. Right. You want to see something that's not even scummy to do. This is like straight up not even scummy to do. You come into here, you take a look at this. See, this was generated by AI. They have three different tiers, right? I can buy this for $29.99, right? And that just gives me all the images, right? And it gives me every single license under the sun to use, because this person can't transfer a license they do not own. There is no commercial license, standard license, indie NFT license. There is just the standard license, which is you're paying for them curating the images. Outside of that, they cannot legally enforce any of these other tiers. That's why nobody's talking about it, because it doesn't matter. I'm not even an AI hater. Like I use it in my day-to-day work, but it's not as useful as everybody as a lot of people think it is. Do. Screen resolution. There we go. And then for this, because this doesn't have a hover effect, I don't think. This needs to also have, I think this needs to on activate. Desired focus target. There we go. Let's see if this works. This has like at least a 50% chance of working, maybe if I'm lucky. Let's find out. Settings. It doesn't. Does this? This works. These don't work. These buttons don't even get pressed. 10 out of 10. Love it. What was the issue? Does not support focus. You should stay true. Oh, okay. That's it. Yeah. There we go. Let's see if that works. Damn. Damn it. Come on. Ugh. I might have to remake these, and that would suck. But I also get it. Okay, so I think I've got to remake them. Fuck. I don't think that I can have these as sub-objects. There goes that idea. Poop. So this needs to be a horizontal. It's not going to take me too long to remake, though, so it's not the end of the world. So we'll bring this up here. Then we'll have our... Essentially, we'll just do this. We'll do common text. gonna plop that in there, and then we're gonna say spacer. Then we need a what's the type of this? This is a WBD arrow widget. Then a spacer. Then a common text. Then a spacer. Then a... Yeah, no, that's it. No, wait. Then a button, sorry. Bouton, there we go. This one here should be a fill. Ooh, I forgot to do a spacer. This one here should be, I think it was 25 that I wanted. That one should be auto. This one should be 25. There we go. Beautiful. I'm fairly positive that's what I put. Yeah, 25. Okay, there we go. This one here will be screen Lucian text. Just value text. This one here will be Lucian. There we go. Screen Lucian back button. Next button. This one here needs to be a there, and then this here would be the text. There we go. Then we can delete this one. Well, after we do this, we do copy, come over to here, give it a nice value, and we can delete. Now we're just going to take this and we're going to duplicate it. Then we can come down here. We do setting name. And the display text. Then we can delete. VSync. And on. Texture quality. High. That doesn't seem right. Unreal Engine texture. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, now we can delete this one. Then we want to take this and Control D, max FPS. This one's literally for only a singular person. And then we want this to say uncapped. And we're going to have a motion blur one. Motion blur, and then here will be on. There we go. We have a lot that we need to rename. Next. VSync. Texture. Back. Next. Max FPS. Motion blur. Here we go. I forgot to do this as well. Okay, beautiful. To not all of these are set correctly. This one, this one. These need to be variables. Beautiful. Then we do the here and we grab the back button. No, not the back button. Ugh. It is screen resolution back button. When we come into here, we go to this spacer here and we say 25. So we're going to take all of, these first spacers. I'm going to give them a minimum value of 25 just to keep with them all the same. There we go. Now, let's see how this feels. Right? We go to settings, we hit settings. We see all the values here are changing in a nice and respectful way. The hover thing's a bit different. Yeah, the hover thing is weird, and that's not good. So one, this needs to be a bit different. So this would be T right TC BTN 01 theme. Then we can do this. And there, beautiful. Save, compile. Beautiful. Okay. So from here, we come down here and we say, hey, if we go left on here, what do we want to happen? Think that we want to wrap to there. So we'll just be explicit and we want the screen resolution next button. Right, we want to be explicit. Next button. Up, we want to go to save. Down, we want to be explicit and we want to go to display mode. Sorry, display mode, back button. We'll worry about that one later. This one here. We'll change these all to explicit. Left, we will go to the screen resolution back. Wait. Did I say back or next? Yeah, okay. Up goes to save. There, and then down we'll go to screen resolution. Sorry, display mode. Next. There we go. Oh, wait. We also need these two to be explicit on everything. When you start getting into these more complex ones, it's probably best to be more explicit, right? Okay, so up is going to go to the screen resolution back. Down should go to VSync. Back. Right should go to VSync. Next. And next. No. Display mode next. There we go. Left, we'll go to VSync next. Up, we'll go to display mode, back. Down, we'll go to texture quality. Down, max FPS. Up is VSync. There we go. Fuck. Yeah, there we go. This is always no fun to do. Motion blur back. Up goes to texture quality. Right goes to max FPS. Next. Here we go. Down goes to save. Up goes to max FPS. Right goes to motion blur. And let's just make sure this is all correct. I think this looks right. Let's also go here. Oops. Let's actually make this work so I can test it easier. On button base collect. Get parent. Cast to TK. Sorry, oh, right, it's this. The back button. Push. Sorry, cast to TK. Base head. Beautiful. Push. Beautiful. Now we can test part of this. We hit play, we go to settings, we hit yes. Okay, let's. Okay, sweet, that works. Okay, that does not. There we go. This is motion blur back. Oh, sorry. Up is max FPS. Next. Then right is motion blur the motion blur back. There. And then this is going to be max FPS back. Up is texture quality. Down is motion blur next. Texture quality. Up will be VSync. Down is max FPS. Up will be display mode. Down will be texture quality. Display mode. Up is screen resolution. Down is VSync. Save. Up will be motion blur next. Down should be screen resolution next. Back. And back. This should be save. Save. Up will be motion blur back. And down will be screen resolution back. Apparently that one still might be wrong. That was not right. There we go. All better. That's not the what I wanted, but we're slowly getting somewhere. I think I'm going to change that up on this to the back button. And the down on this to be the back. Ugh. There we go. Beautiful. Then we're going to... It's not what we wanted. We want this one specifically, which is a widget. There we go. Ugh. Now we just have to do all of these. Unreal Engine get screen get supported full screens. Okay, so we just call it. So this is going to need a pre-construct. This is fine here. Okay, so here we're going to grab a variable. Get supported. Get supported. Interesting. This needs to promote to variable. For each loop. Ah, okay. This is not what I want. What is this? This is... Actually, no, this is exactly what I need. Fuck. This needs to be... What is it? It's... What's the type here? Oh, it's an int point. Resolutions. This needs to be a map. Okay, that's fine. So this needs to be string. And this needs to be a map. And this is int point. There. And then this is a for each loop. This one is going to be a, so then we do this. Ugh. I will be right back. All right, we're just going to do that. And then here we'll add. Wait, what? Okay. I should have a default button. Or what do we want this to be? I want this to default to something. Hmm. There we go. Ooh. This one's going to be a bit of a pain. Um, what's my list? Where's my list? Oh, right. My list is right here. It is okay. Do this. Current display mode. I don't know what current display mode is going to be here. Get current. Good. Display mode. No. Mm.
Bum 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 bum.
Tomatoes.
Hello, welcome to video 4. What is Game User Settings, the Get Desktop Resolution node? So this is the node we're going to be working with. It's pretty simple. If we get our Game User Settings and then pull off onto the Get Desktop Resolution, it's going to return the user's desktop resolution in an int point structure, which is an x and a y structure. So we're going to get back an x and a y, or we can split it and get back the individual values. Now in this case, I'm going to drag off the x and hit play, and you'll see 1920. My window's running at 1920. My window's running at 1280 by 720 because we're in the editor. Let's redo this. My window here is running at 1280 by 720, but my desktop's 1920. I can
Oh,
that
shit.
1080 and accept. You'll see it fills up pretty much the entire screen.
Another raid. Thank you for the raid. Much appreciated. How was the rest of your day? How was the rest of your stream, man? 32 viewers, man. 32 viewers. Holy shit, that's so many viewers. Let's give you a proper shout out this time. Totally dropped the ball on that one last time. Everybody who was here beforehand, go check him out. He's actually really cool. He's doing some really impressive stuff with the Unreal Gas system. His game looks his code looks really clean. So definitely, definitely somebody that you should consider skilled. Yeah, go give him a follow. My brain is toast. It's time for you to cry. Yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at right now. Friggin' edit. Friggin' settings menus, man. Settings menus. I'm trying to figure out a good way to do this, and I do not like it. But yeah, no, like I was watching your code, and your code looks good. I got to do some UI stuff soon enough. Oh god. Oh god. Common UI is your friend. You want Common UI. It's a bit of a pain to get started in, but it's going to make your life easier long term. Just trust me on that one. Also, if you are going to be doing localization for your game, it's not actually as difficult as it seems. It's actually pretty easy to do localization. The only thing is that localization really wants text, not strings. And then we do like what is it? It's tools. Super cool. Yeah, and then you input the languages that you want. You can just like add a new culture and you just select it. And then you just generate text. Give it a couple seconds here to finish. And then you pop this open. And I have all of my this is everything that needs to be localized for for C++ for Japanese. And then I can come over here and I can type, like, let's say here for cancel, they say in Japanese it would be cancel. I just type in cancel here and it would fill that in and it would auto switch the UIs and everything. No, it does everything as long as it's a text variable, right? As long as it's a text, as long as the text is stored somewhere, then it will work. It's really cool. So then see how we've got this 1920 by 1080? Obviously we do not want that. So if I come over to my widget here, here's where it's being set. And then here you see this little flag. I come here and I can say, don't localize this. Now, if I close this, go back over to here, and I gather my text again, And this is all set up by default, by the way. It's just whether or not you actually enable any of the extras. Come back in here, and it's supposed to be gone, but it's not obviously gone. I might have this somewhere else. Oh, right. I've got it in this. That's why. Because that's not actually being used. Wait, no, fuck. That was the one that I was just working on. It'll pick it up in blueprints as well. I just deleted that. I spent so much time on that. This is the one that I meant to delete. God damn it. Oh, I can't believe I did that. Ah. Oh, I'm so disappointed in myself. Oh God, I've done stuff like that too. I usually, yeah, no, I've done stuff like that. Oof. Yeah. Oh, I'm so disappointed. uh, uh, such a blow. At least I still have some of it, so it's not the end of the world. Uh, so I initially set it up in a different thing, but I couldn't get the hovers to work the way that I wanted them to. So I ended up breaking it out into here. And the hardest part was I'm going to have to reset some things quickly, but I think I should be okay. So I'm gonna have to do I'm gonna have to do like a button thing. I'm gonna do this in a better way, and it's gonna make this it's probably gonna take a little bit longer this time, but it shouldn't be too bad. Common text. I don't think it will take me 2 more hours to fix. Ugh. That's not what I wanted. This is what I wanted. And then we want a spacer. Like that. And then we want a arrow. Then we want a spacer. Then we want common text. Spacer. And then we want this be common text spacer. Fuck. Oh yeah, and then we want the arrow. almost 2 hours worth of work. And then this button here, we want to come down here and we want right PC VTN. And then these two, I would like to have there. These four, not that one. These need to be variables. This one should be fill. And we want a default on all of these to be 25. I still need to dig deeper into common text, but right now I need to, unfortunately, I need to just get things done, which sucks, but it is what it is. Solution, horizontal box. There we go, and then we'll just D. Get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we want 3 buttons at the bottom. Common widget button. Spacer. Right, I forgot to do a horizontal box. There we go. And then we want these no, these spacers are all right. These ones are not. 25. Okay. So now it's screen solution text display text screen solution back TM. The most painful part about this is going to be setting up the navigations again. Ugh. This one's display mode, back BTN. VSync. You know what? Actually, I'm going to get rid of the motion blur one because I don't think anybody's... You're working towards a deadline? No. No. Back BTN. This is mostly a solo project. Display text. Texture quality. Oops. T back BTN. Sir quality, display text. Max FPS. Back BTN. What about you? Are you working towards a deadline at all? Do this one. Oh, I'm changing the wrong one here. I want to get a PvP playtest out in the next few weeks. Oof. Are you planning on having that on Steam or just dedicated? Actually, no, I guess it would be dedicated servers, right? Nice. It is nice to hear somebody say that they've already got like dedicated servers set up for something that should very honestly have dedicated servers. Like you really can't do this without dedicated servers. You should have them, and it's so nice to actually hear you say that you're going to have them. Back BTN. Hmm. Yeah, no. That's that's the hardest part about dedicated servers. Oh, I need more water. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna go grab some more water. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so here's kind of like the part that's a pain in the ass to set up. You have to like tell it what up is and what down is because it won't wrap properly. And then like the up and down isn't necessarily going to work here. It might work if I do. There's certain things that I can do that it might work with. If I do like a horizontal, actually that might be a way of doing it, but then this gets weird. Let's try that actually. I think that might actually give me a nicer. Where did it go? Where did my vertical go? Okay, let's do this. This is max FPS. HB. Display mode HB. There we go. Okay. I want a vertical box right here. Another vertical box. Wait. No. And no, we want a horizontal. Then we want a vertical. A vertical. A vertical. And a vertical. Then we take our spacers. There we go. Well, have a nice stream, time for dinner and sleep, and I'm sure I'll have some UI questions for you later. I will do my best to answer as many of them as I can. Hopefully I'll have a better understanding of how this all works by the time you get around to it. Okay, this will be the setting name. This will be the back button vertical box. Oops. Have a good one, man. Have a good dinner. This will be the setting display name value. Vertical box. And this will be the setting next button vertical box. There. Snowdust, thank you for the follow. Much appreciated. How are you doing today? Okay, so we can delete this one. And we need to move up VSync. And the back button. the VSync display and that away. There we go. I think this will actually end up being better. There we go. This should fix some of my navigation problems, which will be nice. And it will make my life a little easier. Potentially. One would hope this would fix that. Okay. I see a small, slight problem here. These buttons need to be a little bit bigger. Say 34. So what we're going to do is we're going to go like this. That is not right. But now they're all the same. What we can do is we can play with this. 36. Oh, wait. Actually, if I do this. No, it's not quite 36. Maybe 37. Okay, not 37. What we're going to do is 38. Mm, 40. Not 40. Wait. No, not 40. 39. No, 39 is too big. 38? I think 38. There we go. Hmm. There we go. No, 38's too big. 37. Mm, 37.5. 38. I wish I could just line these up. I think that works. Yeah. There we go. We do need a little bit more space between these. So I think what we're going to do is add a little bit of a if we go like this, there, we do padding. Not all of them have padding. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. This one has padding. This one has padding. This one has padding. Okay. So if I do this, I do padding of 10, right, on the bottom. There we go. That looks a bit better. Okay. Oh, wait. This needs a pre-construct. Oh, sorry. On activate. Yeah. Don't care too much about that. Okay. There we go. This will be the back. This will be delete. This will be there. This one here will be save. Beautiful. There we go. Okay. Now we need a get. we need I'm gonna worry about this after. This is fine for now. Okay, so we come back into here and we need to get, what was I gonna do? It's in the main menu. Cool, I deleted it already. Love it when you do that. Get user game settings. That's what I wanted. Get screen resolution. Promote to variable. Okay, we want the next buttons. Okay, we want to do this buttons. Oh, sorry, next buttons. Back. buttons. Back button. Back button. There we go. Current screen resolution. Oh, it's already set. Sweet. There we go. Worry about that later. Then we've got the current screen resolution. We need to get the display mode. Screen mode. Returns the user setting for game. Uh, okay, what's the next one? VSync. VSync. Current VSync setting. Current texture quality. VSync I don't think is something that we need to worry about having this here. I think we can delete that. Yeah, we're just going to delete because it's just a Boolean. We can just grab it. This I think we can also get rid of. And this we can also... No, wait. Yeah, we just clear it on back, right? For now, this is fine. This is fine. The only one that matters is the... Yeah, it's just this one here. Actually, does this one even matter? Yes, because it needs to loop. Yeah, never mind. All of those actually matter. Damn it. Because we want to know what the current setting's going to be, right? like whatever the current value is supposed to be. What was this? This texture quality setting current. Unreal Engine set max FPS. Get frame rate. Get frame limit. There it is. Current frame FPS cap. There we go. I already hate this. Okay, so this one here, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to here and we're going to go into C++ and we're going to make this a little bit nicer. Common debatable widget next. This will be Dracoon settings menu widget. Oh, I think my girlfriend's on her way home. There we go. View property, blueprint, read write, category, and then we're gonna drag this over here so we can see them. And actually, there is a window to get the headers here. Wait, really? Oh, okay. You can't do that with this one. Okay, fine. Unreal Engine. Unreal Engine UI. There we go. This. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, so what this is going to allow us to do is if I come over here, I can see all of my stuff here, and we can go like this. We can do What is it? This is a button. Class view common button base. This would be a T object pointer. And it would be the we would need multiples here. So this would be the reason why I'm going to do this is because I would like to have this ability inside of whatever, right? So this would be screen resolution. Resolution button, next button. Oh yeah, no, I don't. There we go. Back button. Display text. There we go. Actually, we're going to do that. There we go. This will be, then we have display mode. Here we go. Vsync. Then texture quality. There we go. And then we have max FPS. There we go. Current values. There we go. I don't want these to be indexes because they're not indexes. The only one that might be an index is going to be the resolution thing. Yeah, the only one that's going to be an index is going to be the resolution thing. Display mode is just an integer, right? Yeah, no, it's an enum. Would it be? It'd be e window mode enum. Mm. Window Unreal Engine e window mode enum. C++. Cannot be used as type. Ugh. Why can't it be used as a type? I want to create a variable variable to store the full screen mode, the current full screen mode. What would that variable look like? It's not it. Why is this being weird? Ah, fine. We'll just do it as an integer. Texture quality. The frame rate is is a float. I don't know why it's a float, but it's a float. There. And then this is actually like vsync is a bool. This shouldn't be current. This is new 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 new. There we go. I should have done this in the first place. It would have made this easier. Certain parts of it would have been easier. Oh, I forgot to drink my drink. Excuse me. What is the max FPS? Ah. Wait. Yeah. Why does it keep doing that? Why does it keep doing that? Oh, no wonder. There we go. Everything's brilliant now. Beautiful. Okay. Then we do the on activate. What we're going to do is we're going to come over to here and we're going to do on activate. It's probably this. Protected. And it's void? Yeah. Wait, did it say? Yeah, okay. Okay, what's this? You know, I want to know. I want to read this. Ask for focus to be reset. Oh, okay. Okay. So we're fine. This is what we want. Okay, so we call the super. That's fine. And then we do this here, right? Get current game get game user settings. And what is this? This is a game user settings variable. No, I want to. No. We want to get display modes. Get full screen mode. Is vsync enabled? Get texture quality. Get frame rate limit. This isn't what we want. This is also not correct. What's the actual type of this? Get full screen mode. Value. Uh, do bool int and oh, this is supposed to be an int 32. No, it's a float. What the fuck? I don't know why it's a float, but it's a float. Okay. So new frame rate limit. And we're just going to do this, new frame rate limit. New texture quality. New, oops. Yeah, new VSync mode. New display mode. New fint point. Sorry. New screen resolution. There we go. Is that it? No, they still wanted cost. And that's fine. Okay, there we go. Then we want to u property blueprint callable category truck cam. Update screen resolution text. Oh, sorry, no, this would be the on back. Right, and we need to get a list of all of the current possible ones, right? Screen resolution resolution list. Array. Oh, Rush is live. Supported resolutions. New values. Screen resolution list. Our value list. And then this would be current indexes. That get list of supported resolutions. Get Unreal Engine get list of supported resolutions. C++.
Bum 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 bum.
To get these resolutions. Now, what's it going to give back? Well, I run this through my example program and I'm putting it into a drop down box, and we can see here's the results. It's basically asking the monitor, what resolutions do you support? And that's it. And then it returns them all. Whether or not these look good or not, whether they're 16:9, 16:10, 4:3, whatever ratio, it doesn't really matter. These are just supported ratios and resolution 3, whether and I'm resolution true or false, whether or not it's successful.
How would I call the blueprint in C++? What's up, Mr. Dino? That's not right. Get supported full screen resolutions. Game settings. Get Unreal Engine API. Returns the current one, yeah. What is it as a T array? You know what's fucked up? I don't think that it's supported by default. I think it's a blueprint only thing. Blueprint only. I like we can try, but like get supported full screen resolutions. Oh wait. Get That's why. It's fuck me. It's not it's not this. Like this does not matter. It is a little bit different, but that's fine. There we go. Then why do you keep doing that? That is not correct. What is the call here? I think they said that it was a Kismet thing. Yeah, it'd be this. There we go. And then there'd be our supported resolutions. Then we would do supported. Then we'd do supported resolutions dot find and then it would be new screen resolution. And this should return an int, right? No, fine. Finds an item by key. Unreal Engine T array find index of object. Find item. Okay, I was right. That is return the index. Okay. Current solution index. There we go. Okay, and then I think that's really about it, other than like the ones that we're gonna have to do ourselves, right? Those are all just gonna be text. I might do that in. I think I'm just gonna do those ones in Blueprint. Because they're largely easy. Okay. And it's 9 o'clock. I think I'm going to call it a night. Let's go see about rating somebody so we can say that we rated it forward. Who are we going to raid? I know exactly who we're rating. All right. Well, thank you to everybody who showed up. You were all awesome. And I will catch you tomorrow. All right, ta-ta for now.